Okay, let's talk about the square pyramid. Now square pyramid I have drawn it. Now square pyramid means the bottom is square and the top vertex will be connected with all the corners of the bottom. So vertices 1, 2, 3, 4 and top 5. Edges square because bottom is square. Yes. So 4 sides on the bottom and top 1 which is connected. So 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 edges. Now faces 1 bottom and 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 5 and 1 bottom is 5 faces. Yes. Now because it is a square, so square has 4 sides. So 4 plus 1, 5. 4 into 2 and 4 plus 1, 5. Now always remember, whenever your vertices and faces are same, it is a pyramid. Yes. Let's take a pentagonal. This is pentagon and this is the topmost. Yes. And this one also. Yes. So pentagon has, now I will write the vertices, faces and this. Pentagon has 5 sides at the bottom and 1 top. So 6 vertices. Now edges. 5 bottom, pentagon mein niche, if it is bottom has 5, so 5 there and 5 and all the 5 corners will connected with this. So it will be 10. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 lines. Now faces. Now when we talk about faces, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and bottom 5 and one more side, so it is 6. So you can see vertices and faces are same and pentagon has 5 sides, so 5 plus 1, 6. Pentagon has 5 sides, so 5 into 2, 10 and pentagon has 5 sides, so 5 plus 1, 6. So this formula is for pyramid and this formula is for prism, which I have explained in my previous class. Okay, now there are some books in which it is mentioned that formula will be written as V plus F minus E equal to 2. So it is same. When we talk about Euler's formula, it is same. Only the thing is E, we will do the transposition, it will become minus E. Clear about it? Now let's do the, now let's talk about convex polygons. Now what are convex polygons? Cube, cuboids, pyramids and prism are convex polyhedron because the cross section of polyhedron are convex polygons. Now when we cut these polyhedrons, so when you cut it, you will see there are convex and convex polygons will be formed, or we can say in simpler way, if the angles are less than 180, all are convex polygons. Yes. So these are convex polygons. Euler's formula we have already discussed. So let's complete the table. Square prism, triangular prism and pentagonal prism. Let's do this table. So let's make cube, square, prism, triangular prism and last pentagon. Okay, all are prism only. faces, vertices, edges. Now they have discussed one more formula, that is F plus V minus E. So I told you F plus V plus minus E, it will be always equal to 2. So in all the answers it will be 2 only. So let's do it. Now cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. So it will be 6 plus 8 minus 12. So 14 minus 12 is 2. Now square prism. Square prism we call as a cuboid. So it will be remain same as this. 6 plus 8 minus 12. So 14 minus 12 is 2. Clear about it? Now we will do the next part. So next part is triangular prism. Now triangular prism has 6 vertices, faces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 faces and edges. 3, 3, 3, 9. Yes? So when you add up together, 5 plus 6 minus 9, it is 11 minus 9, 2. Now students, I have told you about the formula, so you can do it directly. Yes? Now pentagonal prism, we have discussed right now only. Pentagonal prism means there are 2 pentagons on the sides. So 5 and 5 become 10 faces, 1, 2 and 5, 7 edges, 5, 5, 10, 15. So 7 plus 10 minus 15, 17 minus 15 is 2. Now you can see in all the cases answer is 2. So we have derived the Euler's formula for that. Okay, state the Euler's formula, cut the 13C. Let's start exercise 13C. Cut the first question. Clear? Now let's do the second question. Verify that the Euler's formula is true for all of the following polyhedron. Now cuboid I have already discussed. Square prism is nothing but a cuboid. Now triangular prism again I have discussed. Now hexahedron and square pyramid. So I will add up here with 2 more names. Hexahedron and square pyramid. First we will go for square pyramid. Let me extend this line. This question you do it in your book only. Just write down the vertices, faces and edges. Now let's talk about the square pyramid first. Square pyramid has 4 sides at the bottom and 1 top. So 5 vertices. Yes. Now edges 4 and all are connected with 1 point. So 4 and 4, 8. Now faces. Faces are 1 bottom and 4 on the side faces. So 4 and 1, 5. Now when you add up 5 plus 5, 10 minus 8. So it is 2. Now let's talk about the tetrahedron. Now tetrahedron you can see 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Tetrahedron has 1, 2, 3, 4. It is square at the middle side and 5 and 6. So 6 vertices. Yes. Now edges. Faces, sorry. So for faces, let me count. 1, 2, just hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this will be 7, then 8, faces are 8 in number, and edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 14 minus 12 is 2. Now this way we will complete this exercise. Now if you wish, you can try to do this chapter checkup as well from this, and you can make the dotted. Now there is a question, there is a exercise, and you can see that isometric dotted paper is given here. This will help you to draw the 3D shapes on this paper. There are two types of papers. One is isometric dotted paper and isometric grid paper. Let me check whether you had grid or not. No. I think it will be in 7th standard. Yes, you can see that there are two types of paper. Isometric dotted paper, it is given here on page number 184. Isometric dotted paper and isometric grid paper, in which you can see the grid is drawn in it. Yes. So this activity we will not able to do it due to this pandemic situation. So here we complete this 3D shape. Thank you.